In this video, I'm going to show you how to make edits in Mobile View in Wix website. Let's get started. First, this is what our website looks like on desktop mode. You want to go to the upper left of your screen and you will see the small phone. Click on it. That is the mobile view. Now on mobile view, we want to make edits because this digital print order form looks wonky. So let's try and edit that. Now click on this one and then you just want to up the form a bit. Let's say, let's do settings on the form. On the side padding, we want to minimize that. Top and bottom padding, we want to minimize it too. Let's say the side padding. Yeah, that looks good. Spacing between rows, we want to minimize that since we are on the mobile view. On the design, we can change the form background. Let's say I want to make it beige, the same thing as this one. And on this one, I want it to be, so that it is not that separated. I just want to make it, clean. And that's about it. That's how to make edits in Mobile View in Wix website. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.